In today's video, I'll show you how to create a sequence in Manychat for your Facebook page. Sequences are perfect for sending automated follow-ups, drip content, or welcome messages in a clean and structured way. Start by opening your web browser and going to manychat.com. Log into your Manychat account and make sure your Facebook page is already connected. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click on Automation. From there, select Sequences. On the Sequences screen, go to the top right and click New Sequence. Give your sequence a clear name that matches its purpose, like Welcome Series or Follow-up Messages, then click Create. Manychat will automatically add your first message, which you can start editing right away. Type your message content, add buttons or links if needed, and customize it exactly how you want your audience to receive it. To add more messages, click Add Message. After each message, you can set a delay, so messages are sent hours or days apart, creating a natural flow instead of sending everything at once. Continue adding messages and delays until your sequence is complete. Once everything looks good, don't forget the final step. Click Publish to activate the sequence. Without publishing, the sequence will stay inactive. That's it. You've now created a working Manychat sequence for your Facebook page that can automatically nurture and engage your audience. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick Manychat tutorials.